network analysis. Next slide. Network analysis refer to a number of techniques for the planning and control of complex project. The two most frequently and used form of network planning means program evaluation review technique, PERT, and critical path method, CPM. सगळ्यांनी लास्ट टाइम टीवायला शिकला तुम्ही कन्स्ट्रक्शन मॅनेजमेंट, PERT इव्हेंट. ओके, PERT अँड CPM त्याचा डिफरन्स काय. देन नेक्स्ट स्लाइड. व्हॉट इज नेटवर्क. नेटवर्क इज अ ग्राफिकल डायग्राम consisting of certain configuration of arrows and nodes. arrow means डायरेक्शन. ॲरोचं कसं असतो, ॲरोचं डायरेक्शन तुम्हाला माहीत आहे. and nodes म्हणजे डॉट फॉर शोईंग द लॉजिकल सिक्वेन्स ऑफ various tasks to be performed to achieve the project objectives. We have already seen that network technique is one of the most modern tool of the project management. Okay, means it is always possible to break up the entire project into number of distinct well defined jobs or tasks called as activities. Okay, the beginnings or end of each activities consist the event of the project, and the network is a flow diagram consists of activity and event connected logically and sequentially in the network diagram. In activity is represented by arrows while events are represented usually by circle. Circle म्हणजे काय ते node are shown in figure. Okay, first, what is scheduling. Scheduling is a laying out of actual activities of project in which order in which they are to be performed, and calculating the manpower and material requirement needed at each stage of production along with the expectation completion time of each of the activity. It is intended to match the resource of equipment, material and labor with project work task or time. AOA means activity. AOA means activity on arrow. Activity on arrow system means activity is graphical represented by arrow. The tail end and head end of arrow represent start and finish of an activity represently. Okay, the project management evaluate to coordinate and control all the project activity in a efficient and the cost effective manner. Okay, then the silent features of an project are project has identifiable beginning and end points. Each project can be broken down into a number of the identifiable activities which will consume time and other resource during the completion. A project is scheduled to be completed by target date. Means the project is usually large, complex and has many interrelated activities. Okay, 6 manufacturing of project. Then next slide. 6 main function of project management. First is planning, organizing, staffing, directing, coordinating and controlling. The network construction. A network is a graphical represent of project activities arranged in a logical sequence and depicting all the interrelations among them. A network consists of activities and event. Okay, activity. An activity is physically identifiable part of project which consumes both time and resource. Activities represent by arrow in network diagram, and the head of arrow represent the start of activity and tail of arrow represent in tail end. Okay, dummy activity. सगळ्यांना माहिती आहे dummy activity. Dummy activity which is used to maintain the predefined precedence relationship only during the construction of the project network is called as a dummy activity. Dummy activity is represented by the dotted arrow and does not consume any time and resource. Event means event म्हणजे काय. An event represent the accomplishment of some task. Means in network diagram, beginning and end of the activity are represent as event. Each event is represent as a node in network diagram. An event does not consume any time or resource. Each network diagram start with initial event and end at a terminal event. Okay, means tail event and head event. Tail event I, head event J. Activity node, activity tail event I, activity tail event head. The event represent I and J is activity event represent. Okay, tail event and head event. Fulcrum's rules means काय, each node is represented by circle and number by using the Fulcrum's rule. Following steps are involved in the numbering of nodes, means the initial event which has all outgoing arrows and no incoming arrow is numbered has 1. Okay, delete all the arrows coming out from the node just numbered, that is 1. These steps will create some more needed, at least 1 into initial event number. This event is ascending order, means that is 2 and 3 etc. Continue the process until the final or terminal node which has all arrow coming in with no arrow going out is numbered. Means rules of drawing network diagram, means rule 1, each activity is represented by one and only one arrow in that network. Rule number 2, no two activities can be identified by the same event. Then rule number 3, precedence relationship among the all activities must along be maintained. Rule number 4, dummy activities can be used to maintain precedence relationship only when actually required. There are use should be minimized in the network diagram. Rule number 5, looping among the activity must be avoided. First बघा, activity 1 A, activity B up, activity A down, activity B up, activity C down, परत activity D up and activity down E. दिसते तुम्हाला ॲरो प्लस. वरचा ॲक्टिव्हिटी ते रॉंग आहे, खालचा आहे राईट आहे. फर्स्ट ॲक्टिव्हिटी BCD बघा ते कसं लावलं आहे. ॲरो व्यवस्थित बघा. इथल्या रॉंगला काय झालं आहे तर ॲक्टिव्हिटी C अँड A कनेक्टेड आहेत ॲरो, तसं नाही आहे. A नंतर B, ॲक्टी नंतर D नंतर E, नंतर कनेक्ट A अँड C, C नंतर E. ओके, दिसते तुम्हाला नेटवर्क डायग्राममध्ये. इझी डायग्राम आहे, सगळ्यांना कळते तसं डायग्राम आहे. नेटवर्क टेक्निक्स. द नेक्स्ट network techniques. There are two popular tools used for analysis of network diagram. CPM means critical path method, PERT program evaluation review technique. Critical path analysis means it was developed in 1956 to 1957 by Remington Rand and DuPont to help schedule maintenance project in chemical plants and construction project. Okay, critical path method is a systematic scientific method based on principle of time estimate to perform detailed analysis of network in an application of project management. PERT and CPM. CPM is a critical path method system of networking used when the activity time estimates are deterministic in nature. For each activity, a single value of time required for its execution is estimate. Time estimate can easily be converted into cost data in the technique. CPM is activity oriented technique. Okay, then next PERT program evaluation review technique आपण पुढं पण बघणार आहे, त्यासाठी त्याची डेफिनेशन अँड मीनिंग तेवढं समजून घ्या. PERT chart is tool used to schedule, organize and coordinate tasks within a project, and it was developed by US Navy in the 1950s to manage the Polaris submarine missile program. ओके, समजते का प्रेरणा, हर्षद? ओके, अंडू सुपोल समजते का सब? एनी प्रॉब्लम, डाउट? प्लीज विचारा. हे कसं आहे नेटवर्क डायग्राम, हा सगळा पार्ट CPN सेमच वाटतो. सो कुठंच समजत नसेल तर चार्टमध्ये, ॲक्टिव्हिटी नोडमध्ये तर विचारत जावा. ओके, फर्स्ट राईट डाऊन. आधी एक एक पॉईंट संपू आपण. राईट डाऊन व्हॉट इज नेटवर्क. ओके, नेटवर्क ॲनालिसिस अँड नेटवर्क. व्हॉट इज नेटवर्क. राईट डाऊन डेफिनेशन ऑफ नेटवर्क. A network is graphical diagram consisting of certain the configuration of arrows. ॲरोचं चिन्ह दाखवा, ॲरोचं चिन्ह दाखवा. अँड नोड्स म्हणजे डॉट, सर्कल, त्याचं पण चिन्ह दाखवा ब्रॅकेटमध्ये. स्लाईडमध्ये बघा कसं आहे तसं लिहा. फॉर शोईंग द लॉजिकल सिक्वेन्स ऑफ व्हेरियस टास्क टू बी परफॉर्म टू अचीव द प्रोजेक्ट ऑब्जेक्टिव्स. ओके, देन नेक्स्ट पर्ट ॲक्टिव्हिटी इव्हेंट म्हणजे काय. व्हॉट इज ॲक्टिव्हिटी अँड व्हॉट इज पर्ट. व्हॉट इज ॲक्टिव्हिटी अँड व्हॉट इज डमी ॲक्टिव्हिटी अँड व्हॉट इज इव्हेंट ॲक्टिव्हिटी. ॲक्टिव्हिटी अँड ॲक्टिव्हिटी फिजिकली आयडेंटिफायबल पार्ट ऑफ प्रोजेक्ट. which consumes both time and resources. Okay, activity is represented by arrow in a network diagram. Then the head of arrow activity, the head of an arrow represent the start of activity and tail of arrow represent its end. ओके, प्लीज लिहून घ्या. इम्पॉर्टंट जे पॉईंट आहेत मी तेवढंच सांगते. देन नेक्स्ट डेफिनेशन डमी ॲक्टिव्हिटी. डमी ॲक्टिव्हिटी अन ॲक्टिव्हिटी विच इज यूज्ड टू मेंटेन द प्री डिफाइन्ड प्रेसिडन्स. Relationship only during the construction of project network. Relationship only during the construction of project network is called as dummy activity. डमी ॲक्टिव्हिटी काय रिप्रेझेंट करतो तर डॉटेड ॲरो. डमी ॲक्टिव्हिटी रिप्रेझेंट बाय डॉटेड ॲरो अँड does not consume any time and resource. Then third definition, what is event. An event represent the accomplishment of some task. In a network diagram, beginning and ending of activity are represented as events. Represent an events. Each event is represent a node in network diagram. An event does not consume any time or resources. Means the each network diagram start with an initial event and end at terminal event. Definition of Fulkerson's rule. Fulkerson's rule, each node is represented by circle. Each node is represented by circle and numbered by using Fulkerson's rule. Okay, then draw the network diagram of network diagram. हा डायग्राम काढा तुम्ही राईट वाला.